Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to reset your Homey Pro device. Okay, so first of all you need to turn on your Homey device, and you will see there is an option when you turn on your Homey device, in the bottom side there is a hole. You need to take any pin and you need to enter the pin at this point, and you need to wait for 30 seconds. Okay, you need to press this button. There is a button you need to press with the help of any pin for 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds it will reset. It will pop up a sound like your device is reset. Okay, and that's it. By using this method you can easily reset your Homey device. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and when the device will resetting, it will glowing a light and it will automatically reset, fully reset. Okay, so this is the only method. Okay, so if you have any questions, make a comment. I will reply you very soon. So bye bye, thank you so much for watching this video.